There's a cat on my grandma's doorstep right now. Do you see it? Down there. That's kind of cute, but I think my grandma's gonna freak out when she sees that in a second. Doors close. And I'm gone. Airport officials aren't too keen on me filming anything before security, so I'm going to see you guys after security in the British Airways lounge. Salonika is quite a quiet airport, so there's not a lot going on right now. So the only thing I've got to do is sit here and wait for my flight. Alright guys, time to fly. Lovely view from here, by the way. Speeding through the airport right now. I'm trying to find the gate. I haven't been here in months, so I can't even remember where the stuff is. Gate 29. I'm trying to keep the camera pointing down to up because I don't really want to film anyone who doesn't really want to be filmed here. Hey. No problem. Karisto? Yes, yes. Here's to a safe flight and a fast arrival at Gatwick. We'll see you guys at Gatwick, because there's no way I'm going to be filming inside this airplane, because I don't think people are going to be very happy. And we are here. God, it feels good to be back here again. I forgot just how much walking you have to do through Gatwick Airport to actually get to the passport control. If I had the boosted board right now, I'd be working wonders inside this airport. I'd be making 2 minutes of the transfer between the plane and the passport control office. Okay, so that security experience was probably the most quick and painless security experience I've ever had at this airport. That only took about 2 minutes to complete the security check. I think last time I came here it took me about 2 hours. Reason I'm wearing sunglasses inside the airport, because the case is inside my bag. I can't be bothered to put them in my bag, and if I put them in my pocket they're just going to get broken. This is a 31 kilo suitcase and another 15 kilos on top of my massive backpack. This isn't very easy to wheel around. It's putting massive strain on my wrist. Okay, we need to find a Gatwick Express to Victoria. 20:56. Bloody hell, 3 minutes. Right, so as it turns out, it's a good thing I missed that train because it was the wrong train. The person there told me that apparently it was the wrong train. That was a southern train. Please tell me this is the right one. And that I'm not about to look like an absolute idiot. Down. Door closing. Yes, I made it. I made it on the Gatwick Express to Victoria. There's no harm in sitting around for a bit, but this train is empty. There is nobody here. I'm very confused.
Later that same evening.
I think I would call getting off the plane, getting my luggage and getting into the train in probably about 20 minutes. Probably a record time for Gatwick, I'd say. It's gotten a bit chilly. Put on my jacket. Yes, I did have a pleasant journey. Thank you very much, Mrs. Train Announcer. I need to go to the taxi stand right now because my driver is going to be there any second.
5 minutes later.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Thank you very much.